Hi, I'm Croydon Fernandez. I'm a content creator and co-founder at a media production company. Today I'll be showing you how to add music to your videos using Adobe Express and why it's important. If you run a small business, like a bakery for example, and you create a reel showing your freshly baked cupcakes, adding some background music to the reel would make it more engaging and shareable. The same goes for if you're a fitness trainer and you're posting workout clips. Upbeat tracks can keep your audiences motivated and hooked. With Adobe Express, small businesses can make their content stand out using Adobe Express's vast library of music. Everything you need to create is in one place for you. Now let's see how we can add some music into a short video clip. Let's go. Let's start by heading to express.adobe.com. Click on the Get Started button, and then we can just select Videos. Then click on the Mobile Video option. Now let's add our media. I'm going to upload from my device. I will select this particular video. Give it a couple of seconds for the video to load up and check and see if everything works fine. Just scrub through the playhead. Yep, everything looks fine. Next, click on the Add Audio button that's right underneath the timeline. This should open up a panel on the left which shows you the music library that's provided by Adobe. Choose from different variety of genres that you'd like. I would think jazz music would suit this best. So let me just type in jazz and I will select maybe this one. When you're happy with the chosen music, just hold and drag it into your timeline at the bottom. It should automatically be added to your entire video clip. Just click on play and see how it sounds. I like the way this is sounding. It suits the mood of the entire video. So I think I'm going to keep this audio. So now I'm just going to click on download, choosing my quality, and I'll choose a type of resolution I'd like. Now let's click on download. Let's see the final product. That's it. Simple as that. Try Adobe Express today. Link is in the caption below. And if you liked this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. All right, I'll see you for the next one. Bye.